Everything in your operation must be kept clean. Cleaning removes the food and other dirt from the surface, and there are several factors that affect the cleaning process. The type and condition of the dirt. Certain types of dirt require special cleaning methods, and the condition of the dirt also affects how easily it can be removed. For example, a dried or baked on dirt will be more difficult to remove than something that is pretty loose. The water hardness. Cleaning is more difficult with hard water, so minerals react with the detergent and decrease how effective it is. Hard water can also cause scale or lime deposits to build up on your equipment. The water temperature. In general, the hotter the water, the better it dissolves detergent and loosens the dirt. The surface. Different surfaces call for different cleaners. Some cleaners work well in one situation, but not in another. The wrong type of cleaner might even damage your equipment. The agitation or the pressure. This is scouring or scrubbing a surface, which helps remove the outer layer of dirt. It allows that cleaner to penetrate deeper. And the length of treatment. The longer dirt on the surface is exposed to a cleaner, the easier it is to remove. Hence the idea of soaking your dishes before cleaning them. Cleaners must be stable, non-corrosive, and safe to use. Ask your supplier to help you pick cleaners that meet your needs. If not used the correct way, cleaners may not work and can even be dangerous. There are companies out there, such as the company we use to clean our hoods, Master Clean, that uses chemicals that the public are not able to use. You have to have a license in order to use them. Cleaners are divided into 4 categories, each with a different purpose. We'll talk about these in the next few slides. Different detergents are used for different cleaning tasks. However, all detergents contain surface-acting agents that reduce surface tension between dirt and the surface being cleaned. These allow the detergent to quickly penetrate and soften the dirt. General-purpose detergents are mildly alkaline cleaners that remove fresh dirt from floor, walls, ceilings, prep surfaces, and most equipment and utensils. Heavy-duty detergents are highly alkaline cleaners that remove wax, aged and dried dirt, and baked-on grease. Dishwashing detergents, for example, are highly alkaline. Degreasers. Degreasers are used to dissolve grease, specifically on grills, flat-top griddles, and for heavy-duty equipment. It works well on burned-on grease, the backsplashes in oven doors and range hoods. Delimers. You want to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and use delimers with caution. They are used on mineral deposits and other dirt that other cleaners can't remove, such as on your steam tables and dishwashers, where water is constantly coming into contact with these. Abrasive cleaners, the last section, have a scouring agent that helps scrub hard to remove the dirt. It's used to remove baked-on food. However, it can scratch surfaces, so you need to be careful when using.